Welcome to the JavaScript training, lesson 7, scope of variables. In this session we will be learning about different types of scope of variables in JavaScript. In JavaScript we have different types of scopes of variables. One is a global variable, other one is local variable. The difference between global variable and local variable is global variable can be accessed from anywhere in any of the function. Local variable is accessible only within the scope of that particular function. Example, we'll see one of the example for global scope. For instance, I am declaring a variable called x in the main section. Then I can use the command alert x in function f1. Also I can use the command alert x in function f2. Both the functions, function 1 and function 2, can access this because it is a global variable. But what is a local scope is? Local scope is, for example, I am declaring where x is 5 in function f1. I cannot access the value of x in the other function. I'll repeat again. We are learning about two different types of scopes of variables in JavaScript. One is called as global variable, other one is a local variable. For global variable, we have to declare the variable in the main section, which can be accessed across any of the function. Local variable scope is declared and used within the specific function. So let us see one program for how do we use the global and local variable. So this is the one program I have created. First I will open the code so that you can easily understand the logic. You can see here I have declared the variable called global where I am declaring 5. Then there is a function f1 here. There is a local variable called local which is having 2. Then it is printing the value of alert local and also alert global. Right. So now what I am doing is I am just going to create a script now. Going to call function f1. Right, function f1 is called here, so this will call this function. So this will print the local value 2. Also it will print the value of global here, that is 5. So let me refresh the screen. Submit now. Says that it is 2. What is 2 here? 2 is nothing but our local variable. So this is printing the value of local. Also I can print the value of global variable here. So if I click on OK now, it will print the global variable 5 also. Right. So this is how we can access the global and local variable. But what about the second function here? Second function is f2. In f2 I wanted to access the value of local. Then I am removing this comment here. Right. And changing this program to f2 here. Save this file now. So I wanted to call this function. So I wanted to call alert local of, but local is declared here. So if I go back to the program, I refresh the screen. I just wanted to call submit. You can see that nothing is printed on the screen because local variable cannot be accessed in the other function. Only global variables can be accessed in the other function. Right. So this is what we have to know, because we'll be learning, because we'll be using in many scripts we'll be using global and local variables and all. So we have to understand the difference between these two things. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Happy learning.